Hey fellow stock guardians, happy Tuesday, June 1st, 2021. I'm Hoda, a stock card CEO, reporting to you from a mixed and mostly in the red stock market. I looked into how the market indices started June, discussed why AMC Entertainment's stock continues to rally, and researched the reason for Abbott Laboratories' more than 9% price drop. The stock market indices wrapped May with mixed results and started June mainly in the red. While June's first trading day started in the green, all three indices retreated to near the zero line by the end of the day. The market's pessimism is partially due to President Biden's $6 trillion budget discussion with a plan to increase corporations and individuals' income tax rate. The stock market indices tend to not like higher tax rates. Before we start, let me tell you about the 2021 starter portfolio on Stock Card's stock pick page. Look for the starter portfolio in the search bar the next time you visit the stock pick page. We create these starter portfolios to give stock card users who are just beginning to invest a monthly stock pick idea. We have done this since 2018, and as you may see, the starter portfolios have been doing quite well, beating the S&P 500, even though they may go through some short-term fluctuations. Our philosophy for starter portfolios is to pick well-managed companies in growing markets that can set the foundation for a long-term portfolio for new investors. Check out the latest stock pick for the 2021 starter portfolio by visiting the stock pick page. I've noticed shares of AMC Entertainment, AMC, continued its recent rally, up by more than 21% today. The company announced that it has sold $230 million worth of shares to Mudrick Capital Management. This investment firm specializes in so-called distressed companies, and AMC has certainly been a distressed company since the start of the pandemic. The story isn't over, however. It seems Mudrick Capital has already sold all its shares to take advantage of the stock price recent rally. So on the one hand, the distressed AMC got some cash to take care of its business, and the investment company made a quick buck thanks to the meme stocks phenomenon. It makes you wonder whether the recent stock price rally was at least partially due to the $230 million initial investment, which is now sold to individual investors from the Reddit subthread who jumped on the wagon after they saw the stock rallied. Shares of Abbott Laboratories, ABT, were down more than 10%. The company revised its full-year profit forecast due to a lower than expected COVID-19 diagnosis and testing kit. With the rapid accessibility of COVID-19 vaccination and decreasing number of cases globally, the demand for the testing kit has dropped rapidly, and Abbott is using that as an excuse, it seems, to revise its revenue forecast downward. That's it for today, folks. If you haven't already done so, please give a stock card a try, research as many stocks and ETFs as you want, and consider following a few successful investors and portfolios like the 2021 starter portfolio by visiting the stock pick page on a stock card platform and use promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase, to get a special 10% discount after your 14-day initial free trial. And as always, help us grow the Stock Guardian community by liking, subscribing, and sharing these daily market recap reports with your fellow investors if you haven't already done so. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you tomorrow.